Hi, today I have an emergency stop lock for you guys. It's a Siemens stop lock made in Germany, but I don't know the key and the lock if that's made in Germany, but from the key you can see that that's a CES lock. On the other side, Siemens SSG10. It's a 6-pin lock, 6-chamber lock, but populated with only three pins, 4th, 5th, and 6th pin. So you can see from the key. When I got this lock, I was thinking that the first three were zero cuts, but now I find out that the chambers are not populated. So yeah, that was a bummer. So here's how this lock works, or the emergency stop button, big red button works. This is like activation, deactivation, like switch on off, and this is that red button, and it's used for probably some machines or some factory, and something bad happened. In that case, you just hit this red button and this triggers the switch and cuts the power, for example. And this is like, you can see this part. So when everything is back to normal, you get the key, put the key in, come on, and now everything is working properly. But to be honest, 3 pins only, that's like, yeah, not good in my opinion. So let's pick this lock. So I activate. So here's how it's worked. That part is going in the this kind of like switch, and when you click, when you operate the lock, it's go in. So yeah, let's activate it, and let's try pick this lock, and I will disassemble it and show you the 3 pins. I really don't know why they put only 3 pins in this lock, but yeah, let's start picking it. 4th click, 5 nothing, 6 click, and we are open. That's how fast you can open this lock. And the problem is not opening really fast. The problem, in my opinion, is opening when something happened. You push this button and you do not expect nobody to do crazy thing with this lock. So, or try to pick it and activate it again if something is not right. So yeah, I will now try to disassemble it. Oh, this was a long disassembly, but yeah, I think it's worth it. So let me rearrange a bit, so I will show you, I will give you a close-up on this lock. As you can see, only the 4th, 5th and 6th chambers are populated and the pins are standard. Nothing down on the core, nothing down on the body, and yeah, I really don't know why there is only 3 pins on this lock. So if someone knows, please put it in the comments down below. So yeah guys, that was the emergency stop lock. Picked, disassembled it like hell and got it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.